So this is what I woke up to. It rained pretty much all late afternoon yesterday into the evening. Thank goodness nothing like those trees crashing down didn't block my path. But put up the awning, we'll be on the road, hopefully not get stuck. And I bet it's gonna rain all day off and on, but we'll get moving. Okay, first stop was at Abasha's to get a bunch of tobacco. I'm all out. It was on a Native American reservation, and they don't sell tobacco, apparently. Next was at Tractor Supply Company, which didn't need to worry about my RV today, just the 2 5-gallon tanks. Got those quickly filled. Then after that, AutoZone, where I'd placed an order online, a couple of filters and such, and already paid online, so that was real quick. Now, I'm walking to the post office, where I had some things sent general delivery. And if I'm just with the RV and nothing in tow, I can park a little closer. But with the towed, so people call it when you tow something behind an RV. With the towed vehicle, I had to park over at the IHOP lot, kind of where I started this conversation. And I believe there's 2 post offices here in Flagstaff. And this one's away from campus, which I like, and close to the other things that I need. So we'll go inside here and hope I get a few things. Okay, apparently just one package, Dollar Shave Club, which is good. It's kind of cool because when the next one's gonna ship, I can send it to whatever post office I'm around. But I'm going to the gym to shave and shower today, and I definitely needed a new razor. I don't know if it's the fact that I've been playing zombie game on my phone lately. I think it's Age of Origins. But I'll tell you, there were several people walking around in the parking lot that were reminding me of zombies. Okay, there she blows in the IHOP parking lot. One thing I have to say is pretty much anytime I stop, I'm checking the straps over the VW's tires. I'm checking the safety chains attached to the VW, checking the safety chains attached to the RV from the tow trailer, and I'm checking that waste container straps. You never know when something could come loose. I don't know what's going on today in Flagstaff. It's a Monday. Route 66 has been just red lines on my Google Maps and super slow. And this is like a road off the main 40 that there shouldn't be any traffic on. The semi's had his left turn blinker on for a half mile, but I'm trying to make my way to the Speedway gas station to dump tanks, get water, dump my trash, and I do not know what's going on. Gotta make sure I can get across. Yes, I can. I don't know what is going on. And it's nothing but semis in front of me. But I'm just going up here past that mobile. If I knew what was going on, I could maybe go to the right and around. I don't know if, I think it's just a gazillion semis trying to go left onto the 40. Yeah, I'm gonna go around here. That's exactly what it is. A gazillion semis trying to go on the 40. And traffic is backed up for a mile at least. Wow. That's weird. I wonder if something's going on the Interstate 40. Anyway, here we are at Speedway finally. Yay! Maybe I can get that chewing tobacco. Yay! For bad habits. Well, they didn't even have one can of my flavor. It's okay, I got wintergreen instead of mint. One can, that'd do me. So right now, got the black tank already dumped. That's going around the black hose to flush it. Coming out pretty clear. I'm gonna fill up those 2 6-gallon water tanks as well as the RV. Then, in the distance, there's a nice green Irish trash can to dump my trash in. And this is how you know I'm at Home Depot. Don't be this guy. Park here at night, leave in the morning. This old eyesore has got his generator on the back running. That's what's gonna ruin it for other people. Okay, one trailer hitch adapter, one vacuum. Let's load it up and go get some chew and a soda. Time for a little lunch. Safeway, not even a can of my tobacco. That's the third store I struck out at. But I got this 6-inch sandwich, turkey, pepper jack cheese, jalapenos, pepperoncinis, lettuce, onions, tomatoes with a chipotle sauce. Pretty darn good. So, just got done at the Planet Fitness. As you can see, I parked way away from everybody. But you want to see how to be a dick? Now look. So let's give a shout out to the Steelers dick. Sorry to use that language. Here's the rest of the parking lot, by the way. Xterra SE. What a dick. Since I have trouble backing up. Here's the parking lot. Here's how to be a dick. All these open spots. This is an intentional dick. So hello again. After going earlier to the post office and them saying they don't have this one package for me, it was sent UPS, so I understood it would have been returned to sender a week ago. I call UPS and they go, no, we never scanned it, it wasn't returned to us. So I drove back to the post office and lo and behold, they go, oh, here it is. So the good news, I got that package. I'll show opening that later. And now Ninja and I are sitting in the parking lot to the Supermat Laundry, I think in Flagstaff, doing my laundry. So I got to load in and in about 20 minutes, throw it in the dryer. Then I'll be out heading to Walmart to get my groceries. 3 things were out. One was a t-shirt. I don't care. The other one was a string of LED lights. Yeah, I wish they had those. The third they didn't have was a tripod. I ordered about a 5-foot high tripod so I could get some better filming angles and things when I'm doing things like outside the RV and whatnot, better than the little 10-inch tripod that I have. But oh well, for another day, I guess. Okay, got the Walmart groceries. Got the clothes all in a bag folded to be put away later. Got the Walmart groceries, all the cold stuff put away, including beer and Diet Coke, which I was out of, and the rest have to be put away later. Back's a mess. And now we're on the I-40 westbound, heading out west towards Belmont, which is about 12 miles outside of Flagstaff. Gonna stop there just to top off with a few gallons of fuel, see if by chance they have my chewing tobacco. If not, maybe I was meant to stop for a couple weeks. And then we'll be headed to try and find a campsite up this forest road. This is obviously the next day, but probably 20 minutes before sunset last night, after passing campsite after campsite that was filled, I decided to take a forest road here, see in the background, and found this beautiful spot. I'm gonna load the car and I might reposition the RV, we'll see. But this is where we spent last night, and got a beautiful view of the mountains. This open field over here, it's really forested, and you could just see the open area. I might relocate the RV right there. I'm gonna see if I could fit it in. That goes down Forest Road further there, as you can see right there. I'm gonna hike down that later, do some exploring. What a beautiful area. It's like 72 degrees with a 10-mile-an-hour wind. It's beautiful. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Give it a bunch of punches. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you on board as part of the Luck family. Get notifications anytime I post a new video, which is almost every day or two. And go out there, be positive, be nice, be active. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu.